Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Apperwall, alright? So we're gonna find out, is it legit? Can you really earn money from anywhere, right? Or are there better ways to make money out there on the internet, right? At any time, if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so, a lot of them a big waste of time though. So let's check out Apperwall to find out whether this is a good use of your time. Maybe there are better ways to make money out there, right? Let's check it out. Now, Apperwall is basically a website and an app that allows you to write short reviews on your iPhone and Android, and they will pay you for those actual reviews of apps that they show you. All right, it's very interesting. There are a lot of other websites like this. Let's see what this one is really about. So this is available globally. You can do it on your iPhone or your Android phone, right? And the way that it works is very simple. So you basically come to apperwall.com, you download the app, all right, and then it says that you're gonna get new apps and daily via their service or messenger bots, right? And then what happens is after you get the apps, you can review the apps, play with them, have a look at them, and then you will need to leave a review and give them, 1 star, 3 stars, 5 stars, whatever you want. And once you're done reviewing that particular app, and it's past moderation, then they will pay you and reward you for actually going through that app, okay? It's simple as that, right? Now, there are a few caveats, and I'm going to talk about them in a second, and you can decide whether or not this is something that you may or may not want to do, okay? Now, the thing about Apperwall, just like a lot of these kinds of review websites where you can, review a product, you can review an app and things like that, maybe even take a survey, for example, right? A lot of the time, they don't have an unlimited amount of apps that you can review, okay? So with Apperwall, sometimes you get an app that you can review straight away. Sometimes you don't have any apps for a long time, right? So a lot of it depends on their supply from their client side, because what I think this is they work with a lot of clients, and these clients need reviews on their apps. So they've built this kind of website where they can get reviews from people like you and me, people all over the world. You have a look at the app and then you give a review, okay? Now, depending on how many clients Apperwall has, sometimes they don't have that many reviews that you can do. So even though it says here that you can get, a lot of reviews and things like that, the reality is you might not get access to many reviews at all, okay? So sometimes you can review stuff, sometimes you can't. Right? So it's all about supply and demand, unfortunately. The other weird thing about this app is that they actually force you to give it a certain review. All right. So with a lot of objective review websites, it's based on your interpretation of that particular app. So if you get an app and you're reviewing it and you think, oh, this app is great, I'm gonna give it 5 stars, right? Then it's up to you. It's your prerogative to give it 5 stars or 1 star. But with Apperwall, they say in order for you to get paid, you need to give it a specific type of rating, all right? So what it seems like it's going on Apperwall is that they're trying to get high ratings for their clients. So it's kind of like in the background, their clients come to them and say, hey, I've got a new app. I want you to get some real ratings for me, and I want you to give me all 5 stars, right? So they put it on their platform, and then they tell you, okay, you can review this app, but if you want to get paid, you have to give it 5 stars, okay? Now, basically what's happening is they're asking for fake ratings. That's what it looks like, all right? Now, this is 100% up to you. You can get involved in something like this, and you can still make money from it. You can give fake ratings, but I personally wouldn't do something like that because it's just weird to be a part of, a platform that says that you can give objective reviews, but when in reality you can't, and in order for you to get paid by them, you have to give fake reviews. So that's not cool, I think. Look, if you're doing anything online, you should do it with integrity, you should do it ethically, you should do it real, right? And if you're giving out fake stuff, you're doing fake reviews, it might not necessarily harm you immediately, but you are not doing a very good thing here. But again, this is 100% up to you. But I would stay away from a website that's basically forcing you to give fake reviews, okay? Now, how much do they pay? That's a big question, right? Because that's what this review is about. Well, they say that you can earn up to $30 a month if you do 1 review per day. So that's roughly about $1 per review, okay? Now, here's the thing. it's very, very unlikely that you're going to get $30 a month because they don't even offer one review a day for you to review. All right, just like I mentioned earlier, a lot of it has to do with supply and demand, right? And they're not getting that many apps to review. So you're not even going to get one app a day to review. So it's very unlikely that you're going to even get $30 a month. Now, the other thing that I want to say is that if it's going to take you a little bit of time to review an app and leave a review, right? Even though it's only one review per day, if you were to take that time and make a review and upload it onto YouTube, for example, you would earn way, way more than $30 a month, okay? If you understand how to do it right, and this is what I do. If you look at my channel, this channel is a review channel, right? So what I'm doing is I'm reviewing different websites, different courses, different apps in the make money online industry, right? I make way, 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 way more than $30 a month, right? I'm earning 5 figures a month from this channel alone, okay? So if you understand where to apply your knowledge, and if you're gonna be taking the time to do reviews anyway, you should be earning way more than 30 bucks, okay? So that's one thing aside. Another thing I would say is that you're not going to even get one review a day to earn the $30, all right? And then the last thing is, do you want to be giving fake reviews anyway? Because if you're giving fake reviews, I don't think that's super cool. It's not ethical, and you're basically fueling an industry here that is not, it goes against the terms of service of a lot of app platforms anyway, right? All reviews should be 100% legit if possible, and it shouldn't be manipulated, right? So I would just, that's just an ethical thing that only you can decide for yourself, all right? But me personally, I would stay away from something like this, all right? There's so many reasons why Apperwall isn't a great way to earn. It's not that much money. They can't guarantee this income. It's very little money for the amount of time that you're putting in, right? You should be making way more, hundreds of dollars a day if you're going to be doing, reviews every single day, all right? And there are ways to do that, of course. And also, you're giving fake reviews, which I don't think is cool at all, right? But they pay out through PayPal. So if you really still want to do this after watching this review from me, then you can come to Apperwall and you can sign up for free. And you can start giving reviews for them, okay? But personally, I wouldn't put my stamp of approval on this app. I think there are a lot of other better ways to earn online, especially if you're going to be taking the time to do it, and more ethical as well, okay? Now, if you're here watching this video right now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, kind of like Apperwall, are not so great, okay? But out of all of the good ones, I've distilled it into one single strategy that I think that an absolute beginner, someone that's never made money online before, can go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, okay? Every month, if you do this strategy right, and I've got a free masterclass that goes through it step by step. So if you like that masterclass to check out, just click the link below and I'll send you that masterclass for free. You can have a look at it if you would like to, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Apperwall. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.